This is an instructional video on graphing points. When you're given a point, it typically looks like this. Two numbers surrounded by parentheses with a comma in the middle. And they can be any number, positive or negative. These represent the x values and the y values. The x values are represented by going left, which is negative, so all negative numbers go left, or x can go to the right. A right is going to be represented by a positive number. The y values can go up, which is going to be positive, or you can go down, which is going to be represented by negative numbers. The most important rule is that you always start at the origin. The origin is in the middle, and it represents 0. So for this problem, we want to graph the point 3, 5. So we're going to put our pencil and start here at the middle, which is 0. Don't actually draw a point, just put your pencil on the center line. 3 is positive, so we go to the right 3. 5 is positive, so we go up 5. And you put your point. If it helps you to draw these lines, you can, but make sure that you go back and erase the lines after you plot your point, because only the point is what is being graphed. For this point, we're going to graph the point -2, 7. So again, we're going to put our pencil here in the center at 0. We're going to go -2, so that's to the left, left 2. And then 7 is positive, so up 7. Again, if it helps you to draw the lines, that's fine, but make sure you go back and erase them when you are finished. For this, we're going to graph the point 9, -3. So we start at 0 in the center at the origin. 9 is positive, so we go to the right 9 times. You can draw the line over to the edge, that's fine. Then we're going to go down to -3 and put our point. Make sure you go back and erase the marks you made to get there. Only the final point is supposed to be on the graph. For this problem, we're going to graph the point -1, -6. So we start at 0. 1 is negative, so I go left 1. 6 is negative, so I go down 6. And we go back and erase the other points. Only the final point is left on the answer sheet. For this problem, we're going to graph the point 11, 10. Starting at 0, we go to the right because it's positive 11. And then we're going to go up 10 because 10 is positive. Go back and erase any extra markings you made, as only your final plotted point goes on the graph. Starting at 0 in the middle, we're going to go to the left 8 because it's negative, and then we're going to go up 9 because it's positive. If you made any other markings, make sure you go back and erase them, so only the final point is left on the graph. For this problem, we're going to graph the point 5, -5. Starting at the center at 0, we go to the right 5 because it's positive, and then we go down 5 because it's negative. Only that point should be on your graph. Make sure to erase any other markings. For this problem, we're going to graph the point -4, -10. So we start here at 0. I go to the left 4 because it's negative. And we go down 10 because it is also negative. Only your final point should be on the graph. Make sure to erase any other markings.